Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a profit update on the BYBIT grid bot that I deployed just about 2 weeks ago. Now, before we get too far into the weeds, if you're not familiar with how a grid bot operates, it's extremely basic. The idea is the bot will buy low when the price drops and sell high when the price pops. So you're looking to buy the dip and sell the rip. And the grid bot strategy gets its name due to the open limit buy orders and sell orders that would represent your grid. On the way down, you would have open limit buy orders, and on the way up, you would have open limit sell orders, and that makes up your grid. All right, so that's enough jaw jacking. Let's get to the actual numbers. So if we jump over here to my BYBIT account from my assets page, you can see that I do have a live trading bot running right now down here in my trading bot account. Those funds are actually kept separate from all my other accounts. And so with these funds being in a separate account, it can help you reconcile that the bot is actually accumulating profit or taking a loss, whatever it may be. Now, to get to the actual numbers, we need to come to the trade tab and then scroll down to trading bots and give that a click. That will bring you over here to the BYBIT grid bots page, and then you can see that I have one active bot currently. My total initial investment was 370 USDT, and so far it has a profit of almost $9. And so for more details, I can just click on more. And that will bring me over here to my grid bots, and you can see I only have one grid bot active on BTC USDT. It has been active for 13 days, so almost 2 weeks now. My total investment was 370, and my profit right now is around $9, or almost 2.5% profit in 2 weeks. Now, for even more details, I can come over here and click on the details button, and that will bring up the details for the actual bot itself. In addition to, I could actually click on the terminate button if I wanted to close this bot down. And if I wanted to close the bot down, I have a few options. I can either select USDT, and it would then convert my BTC back into USDT, and I would receive approximately $379. Or I could select BTC USDT, and I will receive the BTC I currently hold and the USDT that I still hold. The next option would be to close out with all BTC, and it would basically take my USDT and convert it into BTC. Or the last option is I could convert everything into the BIT token, and that is BYBIT's token. Now, I'm not going to close the bot down because it's actually winning the battle at the moment. So we'll get back over here to the numbers. And as I mentioned, we're up just about 2.5%, just around $9. Now, my total APR, which, if this bot continued to perform the way it's performing today, would be around a 66% profit over a 1-year period. Now, past performance does not guarantee future performance, so that's something you take with a grain of salt, but it does give you somewhat of an idea of how this bot is currently performing, in my opinion. Now, my total profit is my actual P&L that if I shut this bot down right now, I would get in my exchange account. The grid profit is essentially the profit that the grid bot has made by executing the strategy, by actually buying low and selling high. The reason my grid profit is different from my total profit is due to the fact of the change in price of Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is pumping, so I'm seeing an appreciation in the tokens I currently hold on top of any grid profits that I'm making. So right now, $6.43 is grid profit, where another $2.50 is essentially price appreciation. The most important factor for me is the total profit. I'm not so concerned about the grid profit. The bot is going to do what the bot does, and that's generate some income as long as we have a choppy market. But with Bitcoin currently pumping, obviously I am going to see an increase in my profit as the price of Bitcoin continues to pump. Thus, the bot is around a 2.5% profit in 13 days, or just about 2 weeks. So, in my opinion, that is winning the battle, and I will let this bot continue to fight the fight. And I will do another update video in the near future on how this bot is performing, perhaps after the pump or if Bitcoin continues to pump. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. I will drop a link to BYBIT in the description down below. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.